It's your lousy Florida gardener. Good afternoon. I appreciate y'all joining me. Here it is, middle of March, getting ready to do some things in the yard. The earliest thing I really do in the yard, other than raking and mulching beds, I do that all year because I got trees, so I use them leaves and pine straw. But been thinking about how to present this a little easier, and I'm still gonna do about once a month during the growing season, a whole tour that's 30, 40 minutes. But I think I'm gonna break everything else up into playlists. Like, I'm fixing to do a couple videos on this time of year. I trim back my banana trees and my sago palm. So I'll do some playlists, and I think that'll make it easier to find. So anyhow, just kind of letting you know where we're gonna go with the website. Be looking right here real shortly on one about trimming back banana trees and getting them ready, and also on trimming the sago palms. I don't put any fertilizer on my banana trees yet. Some people do. I guess it wouldn't hurt. So I don't really start fertilizing this early right now. So we'll get that next. Y'all join me in them videos. Thank you.